Hello everyone, I am TJ. Today, this is my map about spending. Number 1, it is about necessary spending. Necessary spending means spending things that we need. For example, food and water. Because if we don't eat food or we don't eat water, we will die. And number 2, it is about development spending. Development spending means spending money to grow. For example, books. Right now, I am learning finance. So I will buy a finance book. Or sometimes I learn classes. Number 3, this is my favorite one. Happiness spending. Happiness spending means spending money on things that I want. For example, Lego, toy, and sometimes I want to buy tree. For example, I buy the chocolate tree seed or the cacao seed. Right now, I don't have any more land to plant it because I think that I will get 3 pots. 3 pots is equal to around 60 seeds. But instead of getting 3, I get 8. So that's a little bit too much. And number 4, it is about variable spending. Variable spending means spending things that can change. For example, food and water. Because if today I want to eat a hamburger is expensive. So that can change. For example, if one month I have 1,000 and this month, so this is the last month, if the last month I eat 1,000, but this month I want to eat a hamburger every day, so that money, that 1,000 will turn into 1,500. So it is like this, the variable spending. And now, if one month I have to, and one technique that I really want to teach is that you have to spend the necessary spending and the development spending before the happiness spending. So there are 2 examples. One is that I will start with the happiness spending, and 2, I will start with the necessary spending. If one I got 2,500. So you see, this money is a lot. And when I buy toy, for example, Lego, I will spend a lot of this money because you see, this is a lot of money. I will buy 1,500. This is a lot because you see, this is a lot of money. So I will buy a lot. So minus this will be around. Let's change this to 3,000. It's a little bit easier. So in total now I will only have 1,500. Now if I buy the development spending, the next is the development spending. I buy books and class. For example, the class is a little bit expensive. Around how much should I do? 500? Maybe 500 for the class and everything. So this will be 500. And now this money will only be 1,000. 1,000 and 1 month, for example, if I eat really good. For example, if I eat chicken every day. When I talk about this, I'm very hungry. I think after this, I will go eat a chicken. If I want to eat a chicken, for example, for every day, so that will be about 1,000 perfectly. So I can't save because look, I can't save anything. And this is not rice too. There's rice, we have rice and a lot of stuff. So I can't save. Now this money will turn to 0 because I buy a lot of Lego. What if number 2, I had the same amount of money, 3,000, the same amount of money. and I do the necessary spending first. I will do 1,500, and now this will only be 1,500, because you see, if I do the necessary spending first, I know what I will spend next. For example, I think I will buy Lego only 500 this time. 500 this time. Because if I buy a lot, I will not have money to save. So now it will only be 1,000 left. So look, I have 1,000 left, and I didn't even do the development spending. Now the development spending, 500. Now I can save 500 or buy more stuff. 500. I can save, and also I will eat better than the first one. And wait, for if 1 week, we have to divide this, because if 1 week I eat 3, okay, so let's do like this. 1 month, this is the short for month, or let's do 1 month I eat 5 kilograms of rice. That will be 200. And then next, if I want to eat a chicken every day, that would be around 1,000 or something like this. But if I want a balanced diet, like we have rice, chicken would be 500. And then if I want like vegetable too and fruit, it will be 500 and 250. Let's change this to 250. So in total, this plus is equals to 1,500. So this is all for this video. Yeah, one last thing before I go. You have to spend your money wisely. If you do the necessary spending, like I only eat rice and sauce for all of the month, that will not be good for your health. You will have a stomach ache. And if you want to see more video, subscribe to my channel, TJ Academy. Bye, see you next video. Have a great day.